I'm starting a seafood stew with sea scallops, Argentinian red shrimp, and pasta by cooking a small can of tomato paste for 15 or 20 minutes on a medium heat. Be adding some diced tomatoes and our organic tomato sauce later, but I'm going to be cooking the sea scallops in here. Remove them, add the other 2 cans, add the Argentinian red shrimp, and then finish with adding the pasta. So I deglaze the pan with some seafood stock with sliced garlic. I've added the sea scallops now, and when they're cooked, I'm going to remove them from the pan. I'm also using the seasoned pepper from Penzi Spices. There's no salt in here. Got garlic and onion as well. Argentinian red shrimp are being brined now in a little water with a few shakes of salt. So I'm going to be removing the scallops now. I'll probably end up cutting them up a little bit. So I added 1 can of organic diced tomatoes with Italian herbs, and another can of organic tomato sauce. Just gets a little red wine, olive oil, what pasta makes the most sense with a seafood stew? Shells. Keeping with the theme, I've added a can of anchovies in their oil. All the shrimp are in there. I'll turn up the heat a little bit. I drained them, patted them dry. Like the scallops and a lot of the other ingredients, so these shrimp are from Costco. The Argentinians say this is the red shrimp that tastes like lobster. Not far off. So it looks like the shrimp are doing well. Cooking up nicely, curling up. And the pasta is about 1 minute away from being done also. I just tried one of the shells. Time for the pasta, 9 minutes. The bag says 14, but they're from Whole Foods market, so you have to watch that. I did forget to add one ingredient, this organic sun-dried tomato pesto with basil I found at Costco yesterday. So I'm going to add a few teaspoons, and combine everything. Those 2 items are grated Parmesan and some chopped Italian parsley. We have it, a soupy pasta with sea scallops, Argentinian red shrimp. It's delicious. Enjoy.